Video is, of course, the perfect medium for capturing subjects in motion, but when those subjects are moving very quickly, sometimes slow motion is the way forward. And for me, one of the best subjects for slow motion is water, whether it's a dripping tap, throwing a rock into an otherwise still lake, or in the case of what's behind me, nice big waves splashing in the sea. Now, when I am setting up a slow motion shot, I like to have some sort of subject. I don't just want the waves. So what I've done is found this old abandoned burnt out pier with some interesting structures in front of it, and I'm using them as the focus of the composition. But what makes it more interesting in terms of the motion itself is the way that those waves are going to crash into those posts in the sea. They're going to splash around it and make that slow motion video look a lot more exciting. Now, when you are filming slow motion, it is best to do it from a tripod. I'm using a little mini tripod here, and I've got a nice low angle for a dynamic approach. But you will have to keep a close eye on it and be ready to grab your phone if those waves get too close. Once your framing looks good, you need to set the slow motion settings in the app, and most of them may allow you to adjust the actual speed of playback. And it's a case of experimenting with different settings to see what works best. So I've set one going now, and we'll see how that looks before the sea absolutely wets me. Okay, so let's play back some of the clips that I captured. Now, this one gives you an idea of what I was trying to do. There's some quite nice splashes. This section looks quite nice with the water coming towards you in the bottom of the frame, but it's not quite exciting enough. The thing with slow motion is that, of course, it happens very, very slowly. So you need some exciting action in a very short time frame. So good, but not perfect. Let's move on to this next clip. Now, I already like the look of this one in the preview because obviously the water has got very close to me. And that has an element of danger to it. And I think I actually got my feet wet when I was recording that one. So it started off nice, but there's not a lot going on now. It splashes okay. That is one that I would consider. Now let's have a look at this one. And I think this looks very promising from the start. We've got a big splash and the water coming close to me in the bottom of the frame. But it is still worth playing these clips through to see if another wave causes an even more spectacular crash. This is looking very promising, and as it comes over the top, yeah, that's looking pretty good to me. Now, again, when you are capturing slow motion video, you're going to end up with a lot of footage. So you're going to have to top and tail them, you're going to have to crop sections out. But that's okay, just play it all back and see which section you like the look of and just cut out anything that came before it and followed afterwards.